Hey there, tech enthusiasts and road warriors. Welcome back to Circuit Breakers, the ultimate destination where car technology meets fun and excitement. Today, we will be unveiling some revolutionary car gadgets that you've probably never seen before. Get ready to be amazed as we showcase the latest innovations in automotive technology that are set to transform your driving experience. From futuristic dash cams to smart tyre pressure monitors, these gadgets are designed to make your time on the road safer, more convenient, and overall more enjoyable. Stay tuned as we dive into the world of cutting-edge car accessories that are sure to leave you wanting to upgrade your ride immediately. Let's get started. Number 15. Launch X 431 Pad V, the intelligent all-in-one car diagnostic scan tool. This powerful diagnostic tool is designed to handle all your vehicle's diagnostic needs. The Launch X 431 Pad V comes with a high-resolution 10.1-inch touchscreen, making it super easy to navigate through its intuitive interface. It's equipped with Android OS, which ensures a smooth and fast user experience. What sets this tool apart is its extensive vehicle coverage. It supports over 100 car brands and thousands of models worldwide. Whether you're dealing with European, Asian, or American vehicles, the PAD-V has got you covered. It offers full system diagnostics, reading and clearing DTCs, live data streaming, and even advanced functions like ECU coding and programming. Plus, it comes with a range of wireless connectors and adapters, making it incredibly versatile and easy to use without the hassle of cables. If you're looking for a reliable, all-in-one diagnostic solution, the Launch X 431 Pad V is definitely worth considering. Number 14. Noco Boost GB40 Portable Jump Starter. This compact yet powerful device can save you in a pinch when your car battery dies unexpectedly. The Noco Boost GB40 boasts a 1000 amp lithium battery, capable of jump-starting gasoline engines up to 6 litres and diesel engines up to 3 litres. That's a lot of power in a small package. It's designed to deliver up to 20 jump starts on a single charge. And it's not just about functionality. The rugged, water-resistant enclosure and ultra-bright LED flashlight with multiple modes, including SOS, ensure you're prepared for any situation. Compact, powerful and versatile, the Noco Boost GB40 is a game changer for your roadside emergency kit. Don't get caught off guard again. Check out the Noco Boost GB40 and add some peace of mind to your travels. Number 13. Garmin Drive Smart 65, your ultimate co-pilot for any road trip. This GPS navigator isn't just about getting you from point A to point B. It's packed with features that make driving smarter and safer. The Drive Smart 65 features a large, bright 6.95-inch edge-to-edge touchscreen display, offering clear and easy-to-read maps. It provides detailed turn-by-turn directions and real-time updates, including live traffic and weather forecasts. Plus, with Garmin Traffic, you can avoid delays and find the quickest routes. One of the coolest aspects is its voice-activated navigation. Just say, "OK Garmin," and you can control the device hands-free, ensuring you keep your eyes on the road. It also supports Bluetooth for hands-free calling, and you can receive smart notifications directly on the display. Planning a pit stop? The Drive Smart 65 highlights points of interest, such as gas stations, restaurants and attractions, making your journey more enjoyable. It even includes TripAdvisor ratings for popular destinations. So, whether you're navigating through city streets or on a cross-country adventure, the Garmin Drive Smart 65 is your go-to gadget for stress-free travel. Number 12. Owl Car Cam Security Camera. Introducing the Owl Car Cam Security Camera, your ultimate solution for car surveillance and protection on the road. This advanced gadget features dual-facing HD cameras and real-time video alerts, ensuring that every angle of your vehicle is monitored for security purposes. With LTE connectivity and instant video access through the app, the Owl Car Cam provides peace of mind and enhanced security for drivers. Experience the convenience of remote monitoring and the assurance of knowing that your vehicle is always under watchful eyes. Number 11. Anker ROAV Viva Pro Car Charger. Meet the Anker ROAV Viva Pro, the smart car charger that brings voice control to your driving experience. With Alexa integration and hands-free operation, this innovative gadget allows you to charge your devices effortlessly while on the go. Experience fast charging capabilities and support for multiple devices, ensuring that you and your passengers stay powered up at all times. The Anker ROAV Viva Pro offers convenience and smart features for modern drivers, making it easier than ever to stay connected and charged while on the road. Number 10. FenSense Smart Wireless Parking Sensor. Discover the FenSense Smart Wireless Parking Sensor, your ultimate companion for easy parking assistance. This innovative gadget stands out for its wireless and easy-to-install design, making it a hassle-free addition to any vehicle. The FenSense Smart Parking Sensor provides both visual and audio alerts for obstacle detection, ensuring that you park with confidence and precision every time. Experience the convenience and safety benefits of this smart sensor, especially when navigating tight parking spaces or crowded areas. Say goodbye to parking woes and hello to stress-free parking with the FenSense Smart Wireless Parking Sensor. By the way, if you are liking this video, just hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for some more great tech content. Number 9. Wayland's Secure 360 4G Dashcam. Introducing the Wayland's Secure 360 4G Dashcam, a cutting-edge device that provides comprehensive car security and monitoring like never before. This advanced dashcam offers 360-degree coverage and live streaming capabilities, ensuring that every angle of your vehicle is captured in crystal clear detail. With built-in 4G connectivity, the Wayland's Secure 360 provides real-time alerts and updates, keeping you informed of any incidents or suspicious activities around your car. Experience advanced surveillance and protection for your vehicle with this innovative gadget that offers peace of mind and security on the road. Number 8. The Stylus Stinger Emergency Escape Tool, a versatile and essential gadget for ensuring car safety in emergencies. This multifunctional tool features a dual function as a seatbelt cutter and window breaker, providing drivers with a quick and effective solution in critical situations. With its compact design and easy accessibility within the vehicle, the Stylus Stinger is always within reach when you need it most. Be prepared for any unforeseen circumstances on the road and prioritize your safety with this innovative emergency tool. Number 7. Lanmodo Vast Pro Night Vision System. Introducing the Lanmodo Vast Pro Night Vision System, a game changer in enhancing visibility during nighttime driving. This innovative system features a wide-angle night vision camera and full-color display, providing clear visuals of the road ahead even in the darkest conditions. Experience improved safety and reduced accidents while driving at night, thanks to the advanced technology of the Lanmodo Vast Pro. Say goodbye to struggling with poor visibility and hello to a cutting-edge solution that ensures a safe and stress-free driving experience in the dark. Number 6. Philips Go Pure 5212 Car Air Purifier. Tired of those funky odors cramping your style on road trips? Say hello to the Philips Go Pure 5212 Car Air Purifier, the ultimate game changer for fresher, cleaner air on the go. This little powerhouse is your secret weapon against odors, allergens, and pesky gases. Its 3-stage filtration system means every breath you take is pure bliss. Installing the purifier is a breeze. It fits right into your car's interior, adding a touch of style while keeping the air squeaky clean. And get this, it works silently, so you can focus on enjoying the ride. So, say goodbye to stale odors and hello to a breath of fresh air with the Philips Go Pure 5212 Car Air Purifier. Let's make every drive a breeze. Number 5. Nonda ZUS Smart Tyre Safety Monitor. Introducing the Nonda ZUS Smart Tyre Safety Monitor, a must-have device for every driver prioritizing safety and convenience. This smart gadget offers real-time monitoring of tyre pressure and temperature, ensuring that you are always aware of your tyre's condition for a safe journey. With its anti-theft locking system and effortless installation process, the Nonda ZUS Smart Tyre Safety Monitor provides peace of mind and security for your vehicle. Experience improved safety on the road and reduced maintenance costs thanks to this innovative tool that keeps your tyres in optimal condition. Number 4. Huddly Wireless Head-Up Display. Meet the Huddly Wireless Head-Up Display, a game-changing gadget designed to elevate your driving experience and safety on the road. With its clear projection of navigation and other essential information directly onto your windshield, the Huddly HUD ensures that you stay informed without taking your eyes off the road. Enjoy hands-free operation and seamless compatibility with a range of apps, making it easier than ever to access crucial data while driving. By reducing distractions and enhancing focus, this innovative gadget not only keeps you safe, but also enhances your overall driving experience. Number 3. Landmodo Automatic Car Tent. Discover the Landmodo Automatic Car Tent, a revolutionary accessory that takes outdoor protection to the next level. This innovative car tent boasts portability and quick setup, allowing you to shield your vehicle from the elements in no time. With its UV protection and temperature regulation features, the Landmodo car tent ensures that your car stays cool in the summer and warm in the winter, preserving its interior and exterior. Whether it's scorching heat or heavy rain, this gadget offers a unique solution for car owners looking to safeguard their vehicles in various weather conditions. Number 2. Handpresso Auto Hybrid Coffee Maker. Ready to spice up your road trips and morning commutes? Meet your new best friend, the Handpresso Auto Hybrid Coffee Maker. Compact and super smart, this gadget turns your car into a mini cafe. Just plug it into your 12V socket, add water and your favorite coffee, and press the button. In minutes, you'll be sipping on a barista quality espresso. But it's not just about convenience, it's about style too. With its sleek design and perfect brew every time, it's the ultimate coffee companion for any journey. Number 1. Renogy 12 Volts 10 Watts Solar Battery Maintainer. A perfect solution to keep your car battery charged and healthy, especially if your vehicle sits idle for long periods. The Renogy Solar Battery Maintainer is designed to maintain and prolong the life of your 12-volt batteries. It comes with an SAE to cigarette lighter plug, alligator clips, SAE to ring terminal, and 8 suction cups for easy mounting. These accessories make it versatile and user-friendly, whether you're using it for your car, boat, or RV. Durability is another key feature. The panel is built to withstand harsh conditions, so you can leave it outside in rain, snow, or frost without worry. Plus, the lightweight and portable design means you can take it anywhere. If you're looking to keep your battery in top shape, this is a fantastic option. And there you have it, techies. 15 game-changing car gadgets that'll turbocharge your driving experience. From safety to comfort and everything in between, these innovations have got you covered. Whether you're a gearhead itching for the latest tech or just want practical solutions to road hassles, the world of automotive accessories is buzzing with excitement. Gadgets like the Landmodo Vast Pro Night Vision System, the Philips Air Purifier, and Handpresso Auto Hybrid Coffee Maker are here to revolutionize your ride. These gadgets aren't just accessories, they're your ticket to a turbocharged driving adventure. So whether you're road tripping, commuting, or just running errands, grab one or a few of these game changers for your ride. Because why settle for ordinary when you can embrace the extraordinary? Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button to subscribe to my channel for the latest tech content. This is Circuit Breakers signing off, and we'll see you in the future.